Window Design Center is a group of friendly people who care deeply about windows and doors.
It's a small company that specializes in windows and doors. That's all we do.
Window Design Center is the premier Madison area window and door dealer.
We are passionate about historic projects and preserving the historic integrity of the beautiful buildings that we have here in the Madison area.
It's a company of nothing but professionals. It's a company that all the people here have been here a long time.
I don't think that anyone in southern Wisconsin can service you the way that we can.
It's all we do, and we're very good at it.
We're not here to sell you. We want you to make good decisions and get the product that you need.
Window Design Center, to me, is family.
We have fun, we work hard.
Every magazine here has to do with windows.
We just know the product better than anybody.
If I had to pick one word that describes us as a company, professionals.
Professional.
Integrity.
Integrity.
Integrity in the products, integrity in the people, and in the service that we provide to the Madison area.
So if you're thinking about working with us, know this, that you can trust us. We know what we're doing and we listen well and we perform for you.
We have some awesome technological abilities here, and it's exciting to me to think that we could only get better.